We took 2 whole sweet potatoes.
2 big whole sweet potatoes.
And we grated them.
The most nutrient-dense item you can buy in the produce department, by the way.
Because I am all about nutrients. That's a lie, a full lie. So
you squeezed out the excess liquid.
Yeah, we squeezed out the excess liquid. And then I'm gonna add, we have 2 scallions here.
Yep.
Those go in. You saw me chop up that little bit of dill.
Love dill.
And then the feta, which gives it the saltiness. And then the whole egg, and I'm just gonna keep building. Salt, because you need even a little bit more salt even with the feta. Cracked black pepper. And then flour. So this
just a little to keep it stuck together.
Yeah, you're just gonna keep it bound. I just take an ice cream scoop.
Right, so you can portion it out just so
they'll
they're
all be the
kind
same
of
size.
equal, right?
And you pack it, and then you just press it down a little bit into your fritter, like so, like a little potato pancake.
It's like a latke.
Yeah. I have the oil here at about 350 degrees.
Yeah.
And you know,
and
you could obviously do that with a
cast iron skillet there with a little bit of, you know, innocuous oil. Any oil you can see through, right?
There's just a sweet potato
Wanna
fritters.
take a fritter
If
break?
you guys want some, you look
Okay, we're
hungry.
gonna take a fritter break.
Smoked whitefish pate
Yum.
or salad. You could do this with trout, any
Then
white
you could just
flaky
go to the
fish
store,
you could
of course.
find.
You can order it online.
But if you want to smoke it at home, you're going to take salt and brown sugar, equal about a cup and a cup, and then cover this with ice cold water and brine it for about 6 hours. You then put it onto your smoker, whichever kind of smoker you have, 250 degrees till the fish reaches about 150 internal temp. It's going to take about 2 hours.
Right.
Then you're smoked. Or obviously
Easy.
you could buy it.
Or
Now,
you could just buy it at the deli, right?
we do 2 versions, or at the deli. We do 2 versions of this at home, depending on my mood. We do like a smooth one and a flaky one. Either one is fine, but the ingredients are the same. So I took the whitefish, I split it into 2 separate ones. So what I like to do is you take about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, just to make it feel like it's
Greek
healthier than it
yogurt.
actually is. No, it gives it a tang.
It's got tang.
I love how you guys do it with no measuring cup.
It's all, it's
There are some things when you bake where you have to measure.
You know
there's
how
a
to
little
cut.
science involved in it.
Here's the secret. We put in about a teaspoon
Celery
of paprika.
seed.
Celery seed is what puts this over the top. So we're going to put in about a teaspoon of celery seed, a couple
We
glugs
always
of your
put celery seed
EVO.
in our Bloody Marys too.
Yes.
So good.
Delicious.
Is that olive
And
oil?
Little
Olive oil,
oil.
pinch of salt, pinch of
Pepper.
pepper, couple scallion. I put the lid on, and because I'm from the Midwest, I say scallion. Scallion. And then we just pulse this until it is this kind of beautiful, smooth spread. And this has become a real favorite in my house for the holidays. I'm going to put a little more olive oil in because
you want that
I
nice
like fat.
consistency.
So we take this spread.
This is why we're friends.
We put it out.
We have so much in common.
Yeah, I know.
Gluten,
Everybody's like,
salt,
you can't.
and fat.
They're like, you can't eat gluten. I'm like, what are they closing down Italy? So I don't like gluten. It kills everybody. I tell you that gluten. Okay,
Right.
you take a little bit of
celery leaves. Yep.
and then you have some
Nice.
rye,
Nice.
and you just take this, and you have these great little.
Pass
This
it on down
great
the line.
little whitefish spread. And again, you could do this with any smoked fish. You could have fun with what the fats are, the seasonings are. But I really just like it. I think it's incredibly easy. We always have it around the house. And what I like to do the
caperberry
next
on
day,
mine,
yeah,
too.
take a caperberry. What I like
And what
to
do
do
we
the
call
next
this,
day.
Michael? Just smoked whitefish spread?
Smoked whitefish pate or spread,
okay.
and the next day too. It makes it takes the tuna fish sandwich and blows it out of the water.
Wow.
So you could do it with some shaved onion and so I tend to make a bunch.
So the same ingredients, you can make it.
You just kind of toss it
chunkier
together
version.
and you make a chunkier version.